Hello all, a very happy morning. Welcome to Shri Purnima Jyoti here. So today we are having some two sets of collections. One 5 sarees and the other one is 4 sarees. The first one we are going to see is Banarasi cotton silk. Okay, it's a mercerized cotton silk. Okay, it will be very nice. Okay, and we have some 5 colors in 2 designs. And other one is raw silk cotton. It's a silk cotton with raw silk cotton. Okay, the fabric would be very soft and all. So I will explain the details along with the display. So let's go with the sarees now. So the first one we are going to see is Banarasi cotton silk. Okay, it's very nice weaving. Okay, direct from Varanasi. All of them are Varanasi weavings, not the replica products. Okay, it has a very nice texture, very soft texture. Okay, it's very soft, easy to drape. Okay, so this is how the saree will be looking. You have the buttas like this. Okay, two butta designs we have. This is a butta in this color. It's a silverish tussar color. Okay, you have the contrast, woven pallu and also the woven blouse piece. It's a jacquard woven. Okay, so this is the first one. You have the silverish tussar color. Okay, the fabric will be very soft, and also you have the silky texture. So this is how the pallu will be looking. Okay, and this is the blouse piece. So this is the pallu. You have the tussar thread woven pallu, and this is the blouse piece. It's a brocade woven. Okay, the blouse is brocade, full of brocade. So this is the first look of the saree. These cotton silk sarees are priced at 1300, shipping extra. So this is the first look. My WhatsApp number is 9150556870. Please take the screenshot and WhatsApp me at the WhatsApp number. So in the description also I have mentioned the details. You can have a look on that as well. So the second one, the same butta with blue color. Okay, light blue shade. So these are all thread woven, not zari woven. Okay. So this is the second saree, priced at 1300. All of them are Varanasi weaving. This is how the saree will be looking. Very soft texture, easy to maintain. Dry wash is recommended, but you can have a gentle wash also. Okay, so this is the second saree. It's a blue color, and you have the pallu like this and the blouse piece like this. Okay. So this is the look. So the third comes with a different butta. Okay, you have a peacock similar butta here. All of them are thread woven, guys. Again I am saying, not zari woven. So this is a royal blue shade. A very rich looking saree. Very soft texture. So this is how the saree will be looking. This is the royal blue shade. Okay, you have the thread woven borders as well in both the sides, and the pallu, a very rich intricate pallu with intricate blouse piece. Okay, so this is a royal blue shade, very lovely color. So this is how the saree will be looking. The same butta, we have two more colors. So a purple shade. These are all priced at 1300, shipping extra. Regular shipping charges is 60 rupees within Tamil Nadu and 100 rupees rest of India for singles. COD available for all the products. COD processing charges 100 rupees. You have to calculate extra to the total product cost and the total shipping charges. So this is the next one. It's a purple shade. Full thread woven design, lightweight sarees. Okay, so this is how the saree will be looking. Yeah, you have the pallu like this and the blouse piece. The price of these sarees is 1300, shipping extra. So this is the saree look. Please take the screenshot, guys. Don't go with the description or something. Okay, screenshots helps it much easier to communicate. So the last saree in this collection is an orangish red color. Okay, it has a dual shade of orange and red. This is how the saree will be looking. So this is the full look of the saree. It's a orangish red color. Okay, all of the buttas are thread woven. The full saree has the same kind of a butta. Okay, full saree has the buttas. It's not the partial buttas are coming. This is how the saree will be looking. It's a orangish red color with thread woven pallu, rich pallu, and the blouse piece. So this is the full look of the saree. Price is 1300. Shipping is extra. So next comes the raw silk cotton sarees. So each and every saree has a different design. For this you have this kind of a box type zari design. Okay, this one is a zari woven. You have the golden zari design coming. It's a borderless saree, a fancy saree. These sarees has the running blouse piece. Okay, the blouse piece is available, but it comes running. So this is the first saree in the second collection. It's a green color with box type zari woven design. So this is a fancy saree with rich pallu. Okay, the pallu comes running. Okay, this is the pallu, and you have the blouse piece with running color. Okay, the same running fabric. So this is the first saree. For all the orders and inquiries, please take the screenshot and WhatsApp me at 9150456870. These are priced at 1150. Okay, 1150 rupees. Shipping is extra. This is the second collection. The fabric is raw silk cotton. It's softer than the regular silk cotton sarees. So this is the next one. It's a pink color. Okay, with thread woven butta. Okay, the butta is thread woven for this particular saree. The pallu is also thread woven. So it's a pink color. You have the contrasting color butta. You have a green color and also the orange color. One is a zari woven and the other one is a thread woven, and the pallu is completely thread woven. So this is how the saree will be looking. It's a rani pink shade with a thread woven pallu. So this is a pallu with running blouse. Okay. So price is 1150. The fabric is raw silk cotton sarees. The fabric will be softer and lighter than the regular silk cotton sarees. Okay. So this is the second saree in this particular collection. For all the orders and inquiries, please take the screenshot and WhatsApp me. COD available for all the products, guys. COD processing charge is 100 rupees. You have to calculate extra to the total product cost and the total shipping charges. So the next one is also similar to the previous one, but you have the border contrasting here. Just a minute. Okay. Similar to the previous one, but it has the border here. That one is a tiny border, but here it has the medium size border. It's a green color again with blue border. The pattern is same for this saree. You have the alternating buttas. It's silver zari here again. Silver zari and thread woven buttas alternating in the saree. So this is the next one. It's a green color and you have the buttas like this. It's a thread woven and also the zari woven. Okay, silver zari woven. So this is how the body part will be looking, and this is the pallu design. Full pallu design and the running blouse. These sarees are priced at 1150. Shipping is extra. This is the full look of the saree. The fabric will be very soft. Okay, this can be regular wash. So the next one comes a very lovely color, a violet shade. And you have a very tiny greenish border. So this is the full look of the saree. You have the different patterns of buttas here, square pattern and also the round pattern with zari and thread alternating. So it's a violet shade, very lovely color with a thread woven pallu. So this is the full look of the pallu and the running blouse. Okay, these sarees are all priced at 1150. These sarees will be very soft than the regular silk cotton sarees. Okay, the fabric is a raw silk cotton, priced at 1150 plus shipping. So this is the last saree for today's live. Okay, so for all the orders and inquiries, please take the screenshot and WhatsApp me. My WhatsApp number is 9150556870. I have mentioned all the details in the description. You can check there also. So thanks for all your support. Please like and follow our page for all the real updates and also the pictures. So we will be posting the pictures as well after the live is done in some time. So thank you all your support. So have a good day. Bye bye.